Dimmed. Stop recording video.
And I'm gonna do opinions with my guide dog Salem right now. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Come over here. Come over here. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Stay. Yep. And he does a good job on these. But, and let's see how he do, you guys, on YouTube. Come. Good boy. Not a boy. Good boy. Good boy. There he is. Sit. Good boy. Stay. 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 Come. Good boy. Sit. Stay. 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 Good boy. Good boy. There he is. He's a good boy, YouTube. He's a good boy, you guys. Stay. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, I need to do something really quick, you guys. So I'm going to take this off. And I'm going to put this.
Viewfinder. Image. Double tap to focus.
This in here, you guys. And it's me. Hi. Stand. Stand. Good boy. Okay. Who's a good boy? Okay. Who's a good boy? And that's my obedience with my guide dog, you guys. So God bless. And have a good day and peace.
Take picture. Stop recording video.